Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mend holes on clothes. Simple and soothing, easy to follow, so I'm sharing the process. First, stitch the hole closed. No specific stitch required, just make sure it's secure. Draw the basic outline. Bring the needle up from the bottom, make a straight stitch upward, pull back and bring it up again, pull the thread tight. Start with outline stitching. Fill the inside with straight stitches. Add the leaves. Add another one. A little bunny appears. Use transfer paper to move the bunny onto the shirt. Start with backstitch. Bring the needle up from the bottom. Make a straight stitch upward. Then use whipped backstitch. Loop the thread back through. Repeat stitch by stitch. Use a French knot for the eyes. Bring the needle up from the bottom. Wrap the thread around the needle first. Pay attention to the wrapping direction. Slowly push the needle through. Secure it downward. Gently pull the thread and it's done. Add a few straight stitches. And the cute rosy cheeks appear. At the tail, wrap the thread around your finger. Wrap it a bit thicker. Tie it in the middle. Tighten the waist. Tie the couple more knots. Cut both sides and flop it evenly. Trim it into a round shape. Secure it several times so it's firm. Loosen the threads. Trim it into a fuller round shape. The once plain sweater now has a fun touch. It instantly becomes a custom piece. The whole turns into a highlight. Little handmade moments like this make everyday life more joyful. If you like this project, give it a try. Thank you for watching and supporting me.